In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner to operate a recording quality. Just click on it and apply the best one for you. Now to start recording, use this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To enable or disable voice enhancement, click on this icon at the top right corner. And to end it and save it, on the middle one again. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options, those three dots at the top right corner, or go back, hold it here and operate all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!